May I please, your lordship? I seek your indulgence, your lordship, for allowing the unlisted matter for eviction matter, my lord, without serving any notice.
Eviction is bench 5.
For listing lordship on 30th next February, Friday next month. 2 meters. Friday next month on 30th.
Friday next? For what?
Next Friday for orders for listing.
Why?
Well, the urgency is there, the outstanding bill matter, my lord.
Huh?
That was last listed on 1929/5, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Outstanding bill.
Huh?
Outstanding bill.
Outstanding bill. What is the hurry? Okay.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Item number 22 of your lordship's today's list. Though it
Yes.
is a matter of 2015, I am for the respondent and I am led by Mr. K. Chaudhary. We have
22.
taken- Yes, lordship. We have taken consent from the petitioner side, lordship. Mr. K. Chaudhary has got some personal difficulty today, lordship. So may I pay next week in as per your
Next week or no? No time. After that. The week after next.
lordship?
First week. Right. On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. K. Chaudhary, Land Council for the respondent number 2. This is the matter on.
Much of it.
With regard to item number 25, your lordship, the senior counsel, Mr. Amlet, had some problem today. Let the matter be taken off 19th, your lordship, 25.
On
Item number on 19th of September, your lordship.
19th September, right?
Item number 25.
On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. M.Z. Ahmed, Land Council for the petitioner. This is the matter on 19/9.
My pleasure. Lordship, this matter is NIQ notice inviting quotation, your lordship, which was published by Nalbari Medical College and Hospital, your lordship, on 16 August, your lordship. Opening date is 23rd August, your lordship, tomorrow. Lordship, my prayer for unlisted, your lordship. Tomorrow is the opening date. Tomorrow is the opening date, your lordship.
Why do you come at the last minute?
Lordship,
Why do you come at the last minute? You had,
received the
huh?
information, your
Huh?
lordship. I received the information late.
When did you receive the information? What information?
August published only 7 days time allowed, your lordship. My further prayer for extension of time, your lordship. At 2 p.m.
May I please, your lordship? When a senior colleague, Mr. O.P. Bhatti on the other side, madam. Item number 6, would it be fixed in the next week, madam? That can be fixed on 2nd September, lordship. No,
Yes,
second and
September.
third, I'm not there in town, madam.
And fourth,
Fourth. I'm so deeply open.
right, on the prayer made by Mr. S. Bani for respondent number,
I'm for the APDCL, madam.
okay, for the APDCL.
Only the APDCL.
Fifth.
Fifth, very well, fifth.
This is the matter on 5th.
Right.
May please, your lordship, I pray for listing a motion matter on witness, the lordship.
Huh?
On witness, the lordship.
Okay.
Oblige.
Hello, I beg to mention item number 3, madam. I've taken the consent from the respondents. It may come after 3 weeks, madam.
Why?
Well, certain instructions are required because, madam, we could not get in touch with our client,
Your father,
petitioner. I've taken the consent.
2016 matter, Mr. Counsel.
Yes, madam. That's why-
8 years have passed.
Yes, madam. That's why, madam, we did the
You
instruction.
talk to him now.
Madam?
You talk to him
No,
now.
madam, we had it tried through telephonic conversation, but madam, his number is not reachable. That's why, madam, we are sending a,
When did you try to contact him?
madam, yesterday and day before yesterday.
Yesterday and day before yesterday. Then why should you contact? How can you contact him now?
No, madam, that's why, madam, we will be sending a letter to him so that we can get in touch with him. After 3 weeks, madam.
No, next week.
Madam.
What is his address also? I don't think it's working.
And that is the main problem, madam. That's why we need to get in touch with.
It's an electrical connection
Yes,
issue between two parties.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm quite sure the matter has been resolved. No one can live without electricity for 8 years.
Now, that is the thing, madam, but the private.
I don't think you can live for 1 week also without electricity. And 8 years have passed. I'm quite sure it is resolved.
Next week, madam, I'll just get in touch with you.
No, next week. Mr.
HK Sharma,
H.K. Sharma appearing on behalf of
GN Sahib.
GN Sahawala, Land Council for the petitioner, submits that they have not been able to they have not been able to communicate with the petitioner. Accordingly, prays for time. Right. The matter pertains to the prayer for being granted electricity connection. So the writ petition has been filed in the year 2016. And as 8 years have passed, it is quite possible that the petitioner has been given an electricity connection. In as much as it is nigh impossible, NIGH, it is nigh impossible for a person to live without electricity for 8 years continuously. List the matter next week, give a date. No, not sir.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, I pray for listing of a pending matter, my lord, pertaining to non-payment of contractual dues, my lord.
Huh?
Pending matter, my lord. pertaining-
When?
My lord, on 2nd of September, my lord. Obliged.
I beg to mention, your lordship, an item for listing on 27th/8.
What is the matter about?
It is the RCC training candidates. They are due to the change of the rules, they are now uneligible.
Training candidates?
Who have completed the training, but.
I think this is a service matter, bench 3. This is their training, these candidates have undergone training
Yes, your lord.
and
And they are now, because of the change of the rules for 24, this year, now they have become uneligible.
ineligible to be appointed.
Yeah, yes. Lordship.
Service matter is bench 3 matter.
But the senior instructed us, okay. Lordship.
Your senior instructed you wrongly. Tell him that the court has informed you that your senior instructed you wrongly to approach the bench 4, it's bench 3 matter.
Your lordship. Lord, I wish to mention for listing one I for implement method. On
When?
28. Obviously.
I beg to mention item number 1 and item number 5 matter. These two matter I want to withdraw my.
Okay, why?
My lord, one in, item number 1 is in fact, and so far item number 5 is concerned that there is some dispute which will be
Settle with them.
settled.
Because the amount, they
No,
dispute.
my lord. They said that I am not entitled for that amount.
Certain.
So trial. It will be
Okay,
go to
okay,
the
right.
trial.
Mr.
PK Mazumdar.
P.K. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits the appraise that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition as the same has become infructuous. Item 1. Who appears for item 1?
Item 1 PWD roads.
PWD. Okay, right. Huh? Dinath is not here. Okay, right. The prayer of the petitions council is allowed. Huh? Who? You? Who's your junior? Your Pinath junior? Huh? Dinath junior. Miss N. Burman appears on behalf of Mr. Dinath, learned counsel for the PWD. The prayer of the petitioners council is allowed. The writ petition is dismissed as infructuous. Oh, no, wait. Is dismissed as withdrawn. As withdrawn. And then in item 5, you say Mr. P.K. Mazumdar says that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition. With
liberty to file it before the court below.
with the liberty to approach the appropriate forum. Miss
J. Gogoi,
J. Gogoi
water is.
appears for the Water Resource Department. The prayer of Mr. P.K. Mazumdar is allowed. The writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty as paid for.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition for admission, your lordship.
When?
Next week, any date, your lordship. The date may be
A week after that,
any date.
first
any
week September.
Obliged.
May I please, so with the permission of the other party, I beg to mention 16, 17, 18 and 19, my lordship.
16, 17, 18, 19.
We need 4 weeks time to file our.
Yeah.
decision.
Lordship may give some shorter time, lordship. The matter pending since long. And
This
obviously,
matter pertains to work done by you when?
lordship, it pertains to certain works which are done in various years. One was, I think, in 2013, lordship,
Then,
and the order has already.
when was the last work done by you?
Lordship, the bills as per I can see, lordship was raised on 27/5/2013.
13. And when did you file the writ petition?
Lordship, the writ petition was filed in 2018.
2018.
Yes, Lord.
2018.
Yes, Lordship.
So you filed it after 4 years.
Lordship, even otherwise, if we go by.
And when was the order passed by the court?
Lordship, that was on 27/1/23.
23. Asking for how much time? 4 weeks.
Because Lordship, they've admitted the amount, they were only saying that we do not have the funds, so court directed them to apply for the funds.
Okay, and pay.
So that 1 year,
So-
more than 1 year has elapsed now.
Madam,
For which time might be?
for why? Why? We don't want affidavit, we want money. Why you want to give us affidavit?
Instruction is not a receipt, my lordship.
What instruction? Court has given you direction.
But we have to need the instruction from the department, my lordship.
Huh?
We need the instruction from the department.
Madam, the direction of a court is more important than instruction. There's no instruction can go against the direction of the court.
Yes,
So should we ask your officials to attend, to come to court?
No, my.
Huh?
No, my-
You see, because this is not a case, you have admitted the amount, correct? Is it? Have you admitted the amount?
The amount is admitted, Lordship. In fact.
No, no, I am asking her. Have you read the file? No. So if the amount is admitted and the court has directed you to pay, what do you think your officials should tell you? According to you, what do you think the officials should tell you? Since the court has directed you to pay, what should your officials tell you, your client? What is he supposed to tell you according to you?
Whether budget is available or not.
No, Lordship, if I just point out, Lordship, it is their stand where they say it appears from the said instructions against para 6 of the writ petition, it is stated that HAD had issued administrative approval for an amount of so and so by letter 21/8/12 for implementation of the 48 plan scheme approved by the high level monitoring committee under 13 finance commission, and against this financial.
Okay, we'll give you
sanction
3
and
weeks.
funds release order is also-
Okay, we'll give you 3 weeks. Miss
And
N. Burman appearing for
response number 1, my lord.
the respondent number 1. Shall. And is given 3 weeks time to file affidavit to explain why the order passed by this court has not been complied with. This is the matter. Leave it.
All right, Lord.
What is to be done, madam? He's cutting the jungles.
Lordship, we were only served a copy day before yesterday. Lordship, that's why we could only send our communication yesterday. Lordship, may kindly grant us 2 more weeks.
Yes, yes. No, we'll grant you 4 weeks also. Will issue notice or what? Huh?
Your Lordship may issue notice.
2 more weeks, Lordship.
Huh?
2 more weeks to obtain our instructions.
Okay, Miss
H. Barwa,
H. Barwa appearing on behalf of
Mr. P.
Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the PWD,
GMC.
GMC. Is granted 2 weeks to obtain instructions in view of the fact that copy of the writ petition was furnished to her only day before yesterday. This is the matter after 2 weeks. Yes, what is your case?
But GMC has issued notice on 12/8/2024, Milord.
So why have you replied to the notice?
Milord, on 9/8, Milord, they sealed the premises.
Have you replied to the notice?
No, Milord.
Then you
Milord,
replied
the
to
Milord,
the.
trade license
Huh?
already been
Huh?
applied earlier and subsequently it was Milord given, Milord. This is the issue to the trade license, Milord.
No, no. What is your case? What is the case?
This is that Milord, the petitioner here before the company, Milord, and it was registered on 1/7/2024, Milord.
What was registered?
Company was registered, Milord.
Okay.
The company, Milord,
Registered
on 1/7/2024, Milord.
Huh?
And
1/7/24.
yes, Milord, recently, Milord. If an exam, Milord, page.
So the company was registered under the Companies Act of 1/7/24.
Yes, Companies Act, Milord.
Then
Milord, on page 24, Milord.
No, then what happened?
Then, Milord, some official works has been going on, Milord, to set up a company, Milord, office, Milord. And by that time, Milord, GMC authority has inspected the office and some illegal gratification, Milord, Milord, some was there, Milord.
Illegal gratification, who has done, you see, that means you
And by
are
that time,
alleging,
petitioner was not there, Milord.
you are alleging what?
Petitioner was not present at that moment, Milord, in the office, Milord. He was in Delhi, Milord. And they're just inspecting some papers, trade licenses.
They
on the-
have sealed your property,
Yes, Milord.
your property,
Yes, Milord.
your own property. Where is your land document?
Milord, here is the Milord two properties. Schedule property one is Milord, the company's office, and Schedule B is the personal property, Milord.
Personal property.
Yes, Milord. Schedule B is personal property.
Where is your land document? Say that it is your property.
Land document is not annexed here, Milord.
You annexed it. We do not know if it is your property. Where have you said that it is your property? Where have you said that it is your property?
Yes, Milord. Yes, Milord. Page 7, Milord. Schedule B plot.
Yes.
The plot of land measuring 13.7 lesser, Milord, covered by.
Mr. Council, there is a schedule of land.
Yes, Milord.
It is in whose name is it? Is it in the name of the company?
No, Milord. The
Then-
name of the Milord, the tenant given by the
Name of the tenant?
yes, Milord.
Who is the tenant?
Tenant is not before the court, Milord. Only thing is that, Milord,
Your company was registered
Milord,
on 1st July.
yes,
And so this land is in the company's name.
I am the tenant, Milord.
Oh, you are the tenant.
Yes, Milord, I'm
Say
tenant.
that.
And it was sublet by the first party, who is the landowner of the Schedule B, Milord. Schedule B landowner, Milord. He sublet me the particular plot, Milord, Schedule A, to open up the company, Milord. It's a
To open the company office.
Yes, Milord, Schedule A, Milord. And when the GMC official visit the place, Milord, first of all, visit the owner's land, Milord, owner's land, Schedule B property. They visit the first land, and they have seen that some building debris are over the roadside, Milord. These are photographs.
Look, let us see the notice. Where is the notice?
Yes, Milord. Notice, Milord, page 23, Milord. May I read, Milord?
No valid trade license was found.
Yes, Milord. And trade license has been issued.
There is
Milord.
nothing with regard to debris, Mr. Council. This is with regard
No,
to.
Fact is that, Milord, only single notice, two permissions has been sealed, Milord.
Mr. Council, one is your property, one is the owner's property, you're saying.
Let here, Milord.
How many writ petitioners are here?
Here, single one, the petty company.
Huh?
Company, Milord.
The company?
Yes.
Where is the
Six-
where is the letter who has filed this writ petition?
Milord, one of the board of director, Milord, company.
Who is he? Where does he say that he is the board of director?
Yes, Milord.
Okay.
The affidavit itself, Milord, is the one of the board.
No, how can he be?
Petitioner here is the one of the directors of the Excel Engineering Innovation Private Limited, Milord. In the paragraph 1, Milord. This
The petitioner is the company.
Yes.
Anyway, you have not correct, but anyway, the way you have done it. Anyway, so you see, prior to coming to this court, you should file a response to the notice.
we have not given any time, Milord.
Huh?
Because prior to issue notice, Milord, they sealed the property, Milord. On 9/8, Milord, they sealed the property, Milord. And subsequently on 12, Milord, they issued the notice, Milord. This is the reason, Milord, we could not answer that.
You file your notice, let them take a decision on the same. What do you want this court to do?
But, for the
You want
Milord-
this court to de-seal the property?
Yes, Milord. Because
First of all, you show me where your trade license.
yes, Milord, trade license is here.
It's not part of your writ petition.
No, Milord, this is subsequently to issued, Milord, on 16/8, Milord. Trade license. Though it was initially applied, Milord. That's why, Milord. That's why.
So it was after the show cause notice was issued, then it was issued.
They were issued. They issued.
Then you go to them to say that this has been issued to me now. That's all.
16/8/2024 on at 22:56 AM.
Huh?
Early morning they have tried. Oh,
Earlier, my lord, it was right, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, it's like this.
Yeah.
On 12th August, they have issued you a notice saying that you do not have trade license according to your property seal. Now,
Those-
4 days later, maybe sealed earlier, whatever, but 4 days after the notice, you have got the trade license. Now you go to them, say that my trade license is here. Please deseal my property. That's all.
One thing,
Why do you have to come here?
company
you-
may have already been registered on 17 million. The how.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, just because you are a company does not mean that you do not need a trade license.
Understand, my lord.
Where is the provision which says just because you are a company, you do not need a trade license? Show me that.
No, I'm not saying
Then
that. Company
what
registered.
is your case? You go to them. Yes, Mr. Bora, since you've got a trade license, you all take a decision.
I
on this.
will take it in In fact, Malak, from the very beginning, Malak, this locus of the particular person,
Ha.
he is the director, he should take a resolution that. this-
Correct, that
is
resolution
not
of the
there.
company is not there also.
And there is a specific allegation of a person name, and
Ha.
he's not a part, she is not a party.
Correct, that
He wants-
they are demanding bribe
money.
and there's nothing.
There's nothing.
There's no in a case of malafide, you have got to put that name, the person's name.
These are on telephone records, they are my lord, but I'm not showing all these things, my lord.
You have got to, that is the law, that is
I
required.
understand.
That is, you cannot say that I don't want to.
Our telephone, my lord, all these things.
You cannot do that. No, sorry. Please understand that when you file a case, and when you make allegations against some particular individual, you have got to make that person a party by name.
I'm not giving party, my lord, here. I'm opening that statement, my lord, otherwise. my lord.
You're not understanding the issue. Anyway, right. Heard, Mr.
Yes, Sinha.
S. Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner's property in which he is running his office has been sealed. And sealed due to the petitioner not having cleared the debris that was lying outside the office. Further, GMC officials have been demanding bribe to enable the petitioner to run his office. That's your case. That's all. That's your case. Pusta. He also submits that notice dated 12/8. He also submits that notice dated 12/8/2024 was issued by the Deputy Commissioner in charge GMC South Zone, Ulubari. Wherein it was stated that the petitioner's premise had been sealed by the GMC authority as no valid trade license was found with the petitioner during inspection. And that the petitioner had been running the business in the premise for the last 3 months without any trade license. Full stop. The notice also states that the premise would be desealed only after submission of all valid requisite documents and payment of penalty as prescribed under the GMC Act 1971 and the GMC Amendment Act 2021. Full stop. Next paragraph. Mr. S. Bora, the counsel for the GMC submits. No, before that, Mr. S. Sinha has also produced the trade license certificate issued by the GMC to the petitioner on 16/8/2024 at 12:56 AM. Full stop. Next paragraph. Mr. S. Bora submits that the petitioner does not have any right to file the writ petition inasmuch as there is no resolution by the company authorizing any person to file the writ petition on behalf of the company. First off, he further submits that the fact that the petitioner did not have any trade license is proven by the trade license dated 16/8/2024, produced by the petitioner's counsel today in the court. Correct? First off, he submits that as and when the petitioner submits makes a reply to the notice by annexing the trade license dated 16/8/2024 and pays the prescribed penalty, the GMC will consider desealing the petitioner's premise. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. Though the petitioner has alleged that some GMC official has been demanding bribe from the petitioner, no person has been made a party person of the GMC has been made a party in his individual capacity in the present case. First off, the notice informing the petitioner that his premise was sealed and that he was having no valid trade license, is proven by the trade license dated 16/8/2024, produced by the petitioner's counsel today in the court. The said trade license has been issued 4 days after the notice dated 12/8/2024. The above being said, this court is of the view that the notice dated 12/8/2024 would have to be answered by the petitioner. And in the process, the petitioner may also annex his trade license dated 16/8/2024 with a prayer to deseal his property. Accordingly, liberty is given to the petitioner to submit his reply to the notice dated 12/8/2024, which should be done within a period of 1 week from today.
But he will have to approach thereafter. He'll have to act.
Huh?
He need to approach the GMC along with them.
Naturally, representation, and by personally appearing before the concerned authority. So the concerned authority shall thereafter take a decision on the same within 3 days from the date of receipt of the petitioner's reply, petitioner's representation to the notice dated 12/8/2024.
Not sure keep that trade license in record, madam.
Huh?
That trade
The trade license dated 16/8/2024 is made a part of the record and marked as an exchange.
One another submission Millard. Regarding penalty provision Millard, since company is not running Millard, yet to run Millard, so penalty may not arise Millard in this case. Because
That you see, first you go there. You cannot come directly here. We do not know what stand they have taken. We do not know if they have done anything wrong, they have violated your right. Nothing. Right now, no right of yours has been violated. Says made a part of the marked as an exchange. Writ petition is accordingly disposed of. Huh?
liberty may given to further appear Millard.
That is always there. That is always there. Once if they pass any order in against you, you can always come. That is always there. But first you go there, you reply, annex your trade license.
The main concern is the private property. That's what the main concern. Otherwise, Millard process is taken.
You make a reply to their notice.
In this case, Lordship, we have to reconstruct the case, Lordship, because earlier government has appeared for the agriculture department, Lordship. 3 weeks.
No one appears for the petition.
I am preparing for the petitioner.
Yes, so what have you got to say?
Lordship, the petitioner has already been expired, Lordship.
Oh,
So
then,
matter is
okay, right. Heard Miss
Zideka.
Gideka, learned counsel for the petitioner. who submits that the petitioner expired on, that the petitioner has expired, has already expired. And accordingly, the writ petition has become infructuous. Miss
Gitasri Bora Lordship.
Huh?
Gitasri Bora.
Gitasri Bora appears for the respondent number,
All the.
appears for all the respondents. She submits that she needs time to reconstruct.
Lordship, already infructuous Lordship.
Okay. Appears for the answer. Due to the submission made by the petitions counsel that the petitioner has expired, the writ petition has become infructuous. So the writ petition is accordingly closed as infructuous.
Hello, Lordship.
Yes, it appears for all the respondents, so that's all.
Item number 7, for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Bodol is appearing, my lord. He is supposed to file affidavit today as per, he is informed me he is filing today, my lord. So maybe fix next week or any day, my lord.
Have you been given a copy?
My lord, he-
Or then?
Copy has been given to me. Fact of the case is also petitioner has completed a work in 2001. They have accepted the work with full satisfaction. That it was completed as per drawing.
What does the affidavit say?
Affidavit,
Admitted anything?
they have admitted their work has been completed. Only thing is that they want joint inspection and accordingly, I have recorded the earlier statement on 5/8/2024
So you could not go to the inspection site at that time.
at the time. But
So
only
has
thing is-
the new inspection date has been fixed?
No. Only thing is, Lordship, the inspection also in my favor. What inspection report that they have
Where
produced,
is that inspection report?
Lordship,
Lord, he is not here.
my lord, he for personal difficulty, my lord, he will be late, my lord. He requested me to pray before this
this is,
lordship.
I've taken a copy from him, Lordship, on last,
Next week, my lord, maybe,
He is not here.
my lord.
so I cannot give a pressure.
I am for 1, 2 and 3.
Miss Yudas appears for respondent number 23 and submits that Mr. G. Bodola, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Needs some accommodation.
My lord.
He also submits that the inspection report. Affidavit.
Affidavit during the course of the day.
Submits that affidavit will be filed on behalf of the respondent number 1 during the course of the day.
Lordship.
Accordingly, leave this matter.
Problem.
Nice.
May I please, Lord? So, my lord, item number 8 may be taken fast, my lord, because process has been completed. Mizoram government has filed their affidavit, my lord.
No, what has happened? The Mizoram government has,
Yes, they have stated that royalty has been,
File affidavit, Lordship, we have received the royalty amount.
they received the royalty amount. That's what it's.
so what is to be done now?
Nothing will be done because we were just asking for genuineness, whether he has paid or the royalty, and the Mizoram government has clarified it, lordship.
That
Nothing remains here, lordship. But in the second case, he has not implemented the,
If
item, which is the, which one are we supposed to take up?
913, your lordship.
913 completed, my lord.
913 is
My lord, Mizoram. And in second case, my lord, if it is there, my lord, I will implement the Mizoram government party. my lord.
That's a clarification we will be needing from the Mizoram government in that case also.
Okay, so 30 lakhs.
Yes, my lord, 30 lakh.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. H.M.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R.R. Gogoi
For respond number 6, Forest Department lordship.
for the respondent number 6. Who is for PWD? Mr. B. Gogoi appears for the respondent number 1 to 5. Right. You take this order dated 17/2/2023, para 2. I think the para 2 is all right. Para 3 also, huh? Next para. This court no. No, next para. On the other hand, the forest department had made a claim against the petitioner for payment of forest royalty amounting to rupees 30 lakhs. Next para. As the petitioner's case was that the minor minerals had been brought into Assam from Mizoram, from the state of Mizoram, and that the forest royalty for the same had been paid in the office of the range officer Bhairabi, which is under the office of the DFO Kolasip, comma. This court had made the forest department government of Mizoram as a party respondent and asked them to clarify as to whether the petitioner had paid forest royalty to the government of Mizoram amounting to rupees 6,73,000, which had been allegedly recorded in book number 5100, receipt number 001 dated 14/4/2021, issued by the officer in charge, Bhairabi Range / Depot Range Officer, Bhairabi Forest Range. The reference number of the said receipt was FWO NO CE/PMGSY /57/2019-20/4 dated 17/3/2020. This is in the order dated 2/4/2024. Last 3-4 lines. Next. Where is the affidavit of the government, Mizoram? No, it should be here. It's not here. Huh? Yes. I think this is the one. Yes. Next para. The affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents number 7 and 8. That is the you have not given the amended cost title. It is not here.
I have given my lord.
Okay, that's here. It's there. That is the state of Mizoram and the Divisional Forest Officer, comma, Policy Forest Division. Is to the effect that the writ petitioner has paid rupees 6,73,000 only on account of royalty of 10,400 m3, meter cubic meter of minor mineral, and accordingly, the divisional forest officer, comma, Parasip Forest Division, white letter dated 7/6/2024, communicated the same to the conservator of forests, bracket FC and legal, comma, ILAW. This is at page 75 and 76, okay? Next, in view of the admission made by the Forest Department, Government of Mizoram, it is clear that the petitioner has paid forest royalty of rupees 6,73,000 for 10,400 cubic meters of minor mineral. That's enough? Is that the amount?
They have withheld rupees 30 lakh as a
For payment of royalty for how much cubic meters of minor mineral?
as a monopoly, my lord. As monopoly, my lord. There is a condition, my lord. When any doubt is there, as a monopoly, they have withheld.
Okay, full stop. In view of the fact that the forest royalty has been paid to the state of Mizoram, comma, nothing needs to be adjudicated any.
So far as the amount, my lord, in our instruction, it is 26,95,200. And my lord, 3 lakhs has been, my lord, kept as a for rectification of work for defect notice.
That
Okay.
has been done, my lord, subsequently by the petitioner. My lord, kindly see the,
No, that issue, we do not know.
no, my lord, kindly see page,
That we verify. Okay.
page 40, my lord.
Huh?
Page 40 of it, petition.
My lord, will kindly see.
Nothing seems to be, nothing, what have I said? Nothing needs to be educated any further. Except, no, first stop. Before that, before I have heard the council, this right, Mr. B. Gogoi, learned council for the respondent number 1 and 25 submits. That out of the rupees 30 lakhs, rupees, how much?
Rupees,
3
lakhs, 4,800
lakhs, 4,800
has been, is to be kept for rectification of work. For
has to be kept for rectification of
works for defect notice
for the defect notice period.
during the inspection of the work. So
Huh?
that will be during the inspection of the work, this is the amount for the.
For the defect, if there is any defect, if there is no defect, you have got to return.
Yes.
For the defect notice period. Full stop. He submits that as and when. No, he submits that if there is no defect in the works done by the petitioner during the defect notice period, comma, the said amount would also be returned to the petition. Full stop. Next paragraph. At the bottom, next. In view of the stance taken by the respondents, in view of the reason stated above, comma, the respondents are directed to release the the money withheld by them, which is payable to the petitioner, including the amount withheld for the notice for the
Defect notice.
defect notice period. If there is no defect in the construction work of the petitioner at the time of inspection.
Other part may be released within a specific period. So far.
First stop. The I think the defect notice period must have gone also, but
Yes, my lord.
Let them verify, my lord. Only on that point.
the money payable to the petitioner should be released to the petitioner within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the stock.
No, lordship, may I point out, yes, in fact, my lord, lordship is correct. It says, my lord, the defect of the work notice earlier now has been rectified by the contractor.
Yes,
Ah, so that also can be. Hence, amount so and so, 3 lakhs so and so, only kept withheld for rectification of the work may be released. This there in the paragraph.
So that can be released.
The entire amount.
No, what have I said? The submits that the rupees so and so, that was kept as whatever, just read.
The defect,
Had been kept. First of, however, as the defect notice period has been over and all the works that needed rectification has already been done, the entire amount can be released to the petitioner if the petitioner has paid the forest royalty to the state of Mizoram. Next, then I have heard the learned counsels for the parties. In view of the stand taken by the state of Mizoram that forest royalty amounting to so and so for so and so has been paid, and the fact that there is no as all the defects have already been rectified, the respondents are directed to release the rupees 30 lakhs held up by them to the petitioner within a period of 2 weeks from the date of receipt.
you just sum that, because this funds again will have to, my lord, get it from the government again.
It's his money,
Of course, my lord, sometime, my lord.
with interest.
Well, at least 4 weeks time, my lord.
Okay, within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of read petitions accordingly disposed of.
In next case, my lord.
Item 9, what to do?
Let him implicate Mizoram, my lordship, then.
If they
More convenient for us.
That will be more convenient for us.
have any suspect, my lord,
Huh?
will implicate Mizoram government.
Yeah, let him implicate the Mizoram government, your lordship.
Okay, the counsel for the petitioner prays for time to impede the state of Mizoram in this case also. This is the matter after 3 weeks.
But I will make mention
Alright.
that after filing.
You do it anytime.
Okay.
Within the 3 weeks, you can do it tomorrow also.
All right.
I will be.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the instruction. Lordship.
Non-payment of requisition.
Huh?
Non-payment of requisition compensation, lordship. They have admitted the amount, lordship.
Page 5, may be seen, Lordship.
Page
Page 5. Page number 5.
5.
The status of the entitlement amount of outstanding is as follows. Yet claimed 1,23,000.
23 lakhs. 1 crore 23 lakhs.
23, but
Is the other to these vehicle numbers
Yeah, lordship.
759 and 762? Is it?
Yes. In lordship, in paragraph 5. I have-
No, your petition is a claim for vehicle hire charges for 7 vehicles, correct?
Yes.
So
It,
according
it includes 0762
759.
and 0759 050.
And where is their admission?
Lordship. Paragraph 2.
Huh?
In paragraph 2, it is 3. The petitioner has submitted bills against the specified period and same is received in concerned branch so and so. Thereafter, these bills were verified with records available with them and then forwarded to the office of the Commissioner of Police. So and so for scrutiny further follow-up action. However, after completion of scrutiny, all the bills received from the petitioner have been forwarded last like that.
In
They have made the
2020,
calculation of all.
So how much is still liable to be paid?
Page 5, Lordship.
Oh, 1,10,000, 1 crore 10,000. 10 lakh. Is this the amount? No, but he's claiming 1,23,000.
23. lord.
1,23,000, 13 lakhs has been paid.
13 lakhs has been paid.
Yes. Out of that 13 lakhs,
Where is the 13 lakhs have been paid? Where do you get that?
Lordship, in the table that we have given in page 5, less payment of 6 bills made, and it was given in page 3. Amount already further. after-
Where does it say less payment of 6 bills? Which
Lord-
line,
Lordship,
which
kindly see
paragraph?
page 3, 4.
Page three.
Page 3, 4.
You are
Further,
saying page five, now page three.
page 5 is the total calculation given, Lordship.
Yes, page three. Okay.
4. Further, after verification of record, it is found that the payment of following 6 numbers of bill have already been paid to the petitioner. Mentioned in the 6 bill tabular as from these are the number of 6 bills, total amounting to 13 lakhs 6,644. And in page 5, it is less payment of 6 bill.
Anyway, the figures are different.
Yes, figures are different.
The admitted amount is it's really lots. Because if already they have paid 13 lakhs.
Okay. Okay, right. Heard Mr. A. Dekar, learned counsel for the petitioners. Gustav also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel for
All the
all the respondents. The grievance of the petitioners is that the respondent, Guwahati Police Commissionerate, had hired 7 vehicles from the petitioners. Gustav. The hiring charges of the vehicles amounting to rupees 1,23,24,306 has not been paid to the petitioners. Before that, you just said the grievance of the petitioners is that not the hiring charges, sir. Okay, the grievance of the petition. Okay, next. Mr. S.S. Roy has submitted letter number V/HC-22/WPC number 865-2024/2024/1291 dated 29/7/24 issued by the Deputy Commissioner of Police (Crime, Guwahati), which is to the effect that rupees 13,06,644 has already been paid to the petitioners, and the balance amount payable to the petitioners is 1,10,47,085. Next paragraph. I have heard the counsel of the parties on perusing the letter dated 29/7/24 issued by the Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime. I find that the petitioners, the respondents have admitted that the petitioners are still liable to be paid 1,10,47,085. Full stop. Para 4 bracket Roman 4 big, comma and 5 bracket Roman 5 big, are reproduced herein below as follows. Of the letter dated 29/7/2024 issued by the Deputy Commissioner of Police (Crime) Guwahati is reproduced herein below as follows. So I'll make it here, from here to here. Okay. The letter dated 29/7/2024 is made a part of the record and marked as Annexure X. In view of the respondents having admitted to the fact that they are still liable to pay the vehicle hire charges of rupees 1,10,47,085 to the petitioners, the respondents are accordingly directed to pay the said amount to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Here I've got an instruction, my lord, they are taking for further 2 weeks time to make the final verification.
File payment
For verification, they are taking
Huh?
further 2 weeks time to make the verification.
for making the verification.
It is the letter I've got, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Bigovoy, Senate Counsel for the PWD. Prays for, submits that he has been received instructions to the effect that the respondents need a further 2 weeks' time
Yes. 2 weeks.
to verify the percentage of work done by the respondent number 4. Out of 15% of the remaining contract. As the petitioner had claimed completion of 85% of the contract work prior to termination of the contract. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Date may be fixed, my lord. 9th
Give
of
a date.
September, my lord.
On 16, my lord.
16.
16.
Apply.
orders.
13.
My lord.
Last occasion, whether the staff, post of staff nurses, category B or C, that. In this, my lord, I have chips of documents, my lord. For better understanding, for better understanding, I marked it, my pencil, my lord. Page number 1, I have,
Page number 1.
now 2, my lord, this is the,
2.
2, my lord. 2, below, my lord, 4
Yeah.
CPC pay scale, 3 PPC pay scale, 6 CPC pay scale, and 7 CPC, my lord. And there, the next page, my lord. Next page, come to serial number 10, my lord.
Yes.
Payment to, this is the, in 4th CPC, that was the salary, the scale. And 5th CPC, that was, in 6th CPC, it was, make it pay ban, my lord. PB, my lord. Pay ban. And 7th CPC is come level.
Huh?
Level.
Huh.
Level means some person suppose doing a grade pay 4,500 and some under 7,400. In between that, the level is 1, 2, 3, 4. And 10, my lord, serial number 10. It starts from grade pay 4,200, my lord. 4,200.
1400.
No, my lord, in 6 CPC, my lord, right,
6 CPC.
4,200.
4,200.
200, grade pay.
4,000
level 6. In 7 CPC, it is make it level 6. Payment to level 6.
So?
And we are getting payment 4,600, next page, my lord. 4,000 at 14, my lord. Serial number 14.
Huh.
4,600. We are in level 7. And up to 16, my lord, payment to, that is level 6 to 9 are payment to.
Huh?
Level 6 to 9.
Level 6 to 9.
9.
Yes.
Yes. They are
categorized as level of pavement two, in pavement two. Now. That page, my lord. Requite, my lord, page 6, my.
Huh?
Page 6, my. Page 6, recruitment rules, and 7 is the classification. 7, my lord, at serial number 4. Serial number 4, classification. Right hand side, group B, in case of staff nursing. Group B.
How do you connect the dots?
My lord, this is the, that's clear.
My lord, friends proceeds, my lord. I would like to point out before your lordship, 7 writ petitions, 1 review petition. 7 writ petition has been disposed of by common judgment. How can they file 1 writ petition? That also not naming all the petitioners properly, my lord. And this is not maintainable, my lord. One review petition in connection with 7 writ petition.
Is it?
Yes, this is
My
what
lord,
your lordship says.
Common judgment was
Oh,
restored.
common judgment.
Common judgment.
But how can there be 1 review petition?
Yes.
It has to be 7 review petition.
I've
First, your lordship
completed
will
them.
kindly see 16, they cannot do it like that, my lord. If 7 writ petition has been disposed of, there has to be 7 review petition. It cannot be 1 review
Correct.
petition.
My lord,
And first they have said, my lord, it is because of the undertaking. Your lordship's order dated 16/11/20. How a review lies against this order, my lord? 16/11/22, your lordship says there is an undertaking. And what is that, if your lordship goes into that judgment, my lord, he doesn't say, my lord, why doesn't go to it. I find it very difficult to, my lord, prepare the petition, because it has been, how they have drafted the petition, my lord, how they have structured it, my lord, it doesn't come into any category of law, my lord.
they are category B, my lord.
No, Mr. Counsel, what he said is correct. You are asking for a review of judgments pertaining to 7 writ petitions.
Yes.
So for each case, there has to be a review.
My lord, I have implemented against the common judgment, and I have implemented all of the writ petitioners.
Yes,
here.
Mr. Bididas, why can't it be done?
My lord, in 7 writ petitions have been disposed of by a common judgment.
Common.
So therefore, my lord, if they want to, because we do not know, my lord, what they want to say, my lord. Who is the person who is in which category and all. They will have to file a 7 writ petition, then 7 review petition they will have to file. They will have to specify-
It's all against staff nurse only, I think.
Staff
Yeah,
nurse,
all
all are staff.
against staff nurse,
So-
and your lordship will kindly see the impugn order. If your lordship looks into the judgment. Page 37.
Page 37. 11.
30 years. Well, page 38, your lordship will paragraph 3.
Of the review petition.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord.
Yes.
Yes. And the second sentence, the grievance of the petitioner is that in view of the wrong fixation of A made by the authorities since 2006, the petitioners were apparently given a higher salary than their entitlement, which the petitioners were not aware of. However, the respondents issued the impugn order dated 21, wherein a decision had been taken to recover rupees 20,000 from the monthly salary of all the petitioners, which would eventually be a set of offset the excess salary received by them. Accordingly, in the terms of the office order dated so and so,
has been reduced from salary of all the petitioner except for the petitioner number so and so, from whom rupees 10,000 is being deducted from her monthly salary. So on the basis of this accountant's note, my lord, they started deducting 20,000. From which period, what is the amount, which is the excess amount, nothing, no show cause notice, nothing is there. If your lordship looks into this petition, that impugn order, I think your lordship will get it at page 23. Page 23. It says, page 20, may I just read it one? It says, it is hereby informed to all the existing nursing personnel who joined prior to 2016 that CAG audit has raised objection that pay fixation in respect of nursing personnel has been done erroneously since 2006. The matter is under review, re-examination and refixation. They have not finalized anything by pay by a team constituted by the CIA office order dated so and so, and quantum of excess payment that may be found to have been made as a result of incorrect fixation of pay shall be decided later on for recovery. However, 20,000 will be deducted from. Against that order we have come. So now they are filing a review petition. First they said there was an undertaking. The lordship will hear it on undertaking. My first objection is that, my lord, there cannot be one review petition against 7 review petitions. That is one. And second, my lord, that undertaking part, I will give judgments, and here this impugn order doesn't say which period, what is the amount involved, and nothing is there. So there, it is not a review petition. This review doesn't lie, my lord, in view of the various decision of the court. I'll place one judgment, my lord. The review doesn't lie, my lord. It's a appeal in guise of, my lord, in this guise.
So we can hear it. So what do you want?
No, first of all, they should correct the format, my lord. This writ petition 7 against 7 writ petition. Can there be one review petition?
That'll be your ground. That'll be your
That is
ground
one
over
ground,
there.
yes. That your lordship will decide.
So basically your case is that since they are grade 2,
Yes,
Rafiq Masi's case will not cover them.
not covered. It's,
But what about the Shyam Babu Verma's case?
my lord, it is not applicable.
Why?
Not applicable because they have given an undertaking. And it is decided by the
Undertaking given when?
undertaking, the mandatory provision is there, my lord, to take undertaking when the pay scale is opted.
When was the undertaking given?
During 2008.
Huh?
2008, my lord.
2008?
I have at page 66, my lord. 66 option form, my lord. Option form. Is it, and 67. 67 is the undertaking.
Hmm?
I hereby undertake that any excess payment that may be found to have been made as a result of incorrect fixation of pay or any excess payment detected in the light of discrepancies noticed subsequently filed will be refunded by me to the government either by adjustment.
When was
against
this signed?
time, my lord?
Signed. Not time. Signed.
Sign is signature is there, my lord. No date.
I'm asking you, when was it signed? Please understand the question. I did not say that there is no signature. I asked you, when was it signed? Eight,
39, 2008.
39, 2000.
39, 2008. It is during 6th pay commission, my lord. This has happened.
And they have been given the wrong pay scale from 2006.
2000. 39, it is
Yes, so once you have admitted, then what happened? That if there has been wrong fixation of pay and you have elected to repay the amount.
Recovery regarding undertaking, your lordship will kindly say the judgment.
No,
Page
because, huh?
108.
Huh?
Page 108.
Yes,
Relevant is that this is one judgment from the Madhya Pradesh High Court. I'll come to a Supreme Court judgment also. Your lordship will kindly see page 108.
yes,
Has your lordship got it, madam?
yes, yes,
Relevant is page 111.
yes.
That heart ballot in the middle portion. Looking to the factual metrics in hand, your lordship got it, madam. Looking into the factual metrics in hand, it is evident that the impugned recovery has been ordered in the context of alleged excess payment made from 2006 to 2015. Consequent upon revision of pay scale, admittedly no undertaking of the nature as referred to in paragraph 9 of the Jagdish Singh case was either asked for or punished by the petitioner. Under this circumstance.
But out here there's an undertaking.
Yes, that's
That,
there.
that's a different.
Yes, I'll come, my lord. I'll come. Paragraph, then page 112. But that paragraph, page 111, I think your lordship will also read that's next two lines. Page 111. Because of that, my lord, I have brought in. Undertaking is not there, but it says, my lord, under these circumstances, judgment of the apex court, Rafiq Masih, has full application to the facts in hand. Firstly, for the reason that neither the petitioner was given any notice nor opportunity before ordering recovery.
Out here there's no requirement. When you have yourself
No, no. In the
undertaken to
absence of the
pay.
Undertaking also, that opportunity has to be given. Opportunity of recovery, notice and opportunity has to be given. Secondly, the aforesaid recovery allegedly in the context of revision of pay scale cannot be made as the same is covered by class 2 and class by clause 2 and clause 3 of the said judgment as quoted. Now your lordship will kindly come to page 112. 112. That's judgment. This is a full court judgment of the Kerala court. Division bench. Page 1201. Relevant.
Yes.
Paragraph 9. Here the quoted portion, my lord. Having heard the learned counsel appearing on both sides, we find considerable force in the submissions made by the learned counsel for the respondents. As a matter of fact, the legal position emanating from Whitewasher's case, followed by Jagdeep Singh, is no more res integra. In state of Kerala versus so-and-so, a division bench of this court considered the impact of Jagdeep Singh on the dictum laid down in Whitewasher's case and held as follows. On a reading of both Rafiq Masih and Jagdeep Singh, it is difficult for us to accept the contention of the learned government pleader that Jagdeep Singh is a complete departure from the principle laid down in Rafiq Masih. From a reading of paragraph 10 and 11 of Jagdeep Singh, it appears to us that the Supreme Court had only clarified that in the case of recovery from the retired employees or employees who are due to retire within 1 year of the order of recovery, there would be no bar in ordering recovery if the employee concerned had executed an undertaking agreeing to refund any excess payment. We cannot read Jagdeep Singh as having laid down the proposition that every case where there is an undertaking, as aforesaid, recovery can be ordered from the employee concerned, whatever be the point of time that such payment was made. We cannot overlook the fact that there is not even a suggestion in Jagdeep Singh that that in the event of there being an undertaking to refund excess pay, none of the situation envisaged as item 1 to 5 of Rafiq Masai can be pressed into service. So therefore, even if undertaking is there, my lord,
You see, because you see, you've got to, when you read it together also,
yes,
Rafiq Masih basically dealt with those group C and D employees.
yes.
So
We are group C.
no, that is the issue.
Yeah.
Now, he's saying that they are group B.
No, your lordship, we can
That,
see that.
if you can just show that they are group C, that's enough. End of the matter. So that is where, that is what he's been trying to do. He's been trying to say that the writ petitioners are all group B.
Yes.
And as such, Rafiq Masih's case will not be applicable.
Your lordship, can you say? Page 96. Page 96. They have not given us. Page 96. Has your lordship got it?
Yes,
It is dated 10th December 22.
yes,
Change of nomenclature and classifications for the post of staff nurse.
yes.
It is a change of nomenclature, nursing sister and assistant nursing superintendent. Staff nurse, group C. New nomenclature is nursing officer, group B. We are not in nursing. We are not nursing officer. Nursing staff nurse, nomenclature has been changed. In the year 2000.
And you have been put in group B.
No, yes, group B, non-ministerial.
Yes, but group B nonetheless.
But since the year 2008, well, I am group staff nurse and group C only, but from 22.
This is not applicable in case of my case. My
And-
lord, this is the Employee
and-
State Insurance Corporation. Ministry is different. We are, ministry, it is a Ministry of Labor and Employment. And we are.
Under the Ministry of Health.
Health.
Then page
It is not
97,
applicable.
Huh?
page 97.
Yeah.
As observed by the CAG audit 2017-20, a provisional list of overpaid amount of so and so bonus to the employees are attached as annexures till the exercise is completed. As lump sum of payment of rupees 5,000 per month will be deducted from the monthly salaries of the employees as listed. Now, group C is page 99. Our name is at 101. Group C is their list. From 101.
Deepak Basfar.
Now, from this, I think Mrs. Manju Mala Hajarika, from 101.
101 is Deepak Basfar at page 99.
No, no. Page 101. Mala.
Serial number can you?
On 101.
Page 101, serial 180.
Okay.
So our names, your lordship.
Yeah, these are group C.
Group C, and these are the petitioners. And this is the letter from the Chief Administrative Officer.
My lord, it is to get recovered,
and-
they are group, they made it group wise. Such and such,
They made it group wise.
group wise.
And that Rafiq Masih case, my lord, page 105.
Because,
So how many groups did they make it into?
my lord,
How many groups?
No-
How many groups are there?
not category, my
There's
lord. this is
E,
not
F,
category.
G, H, I, J, K, everything.
But my the advertisement is there, my lord. They are group B, nursing are group B. My lord, they are getting great pay as per 4,600.
I don't know about that. Show me. You see,
It
they
is-
told me that they are
it
group
is-
C. Oh,
That's
this
what I'm
this
showing,
one.
my lord. This is group C only, my lord, I have stated. And your lordship will also kindly see page 105.
Yes.
Page 105, it is dated office memorandum from the government of India, dated 2nd March 2016. The same Rafiq Masih, my lord, paragraph 4. Recovery from,
No, no, this is,
Yes.
that is not
No,
the
that
issue.
even
The law is
doesn't
not the issue.
that 5 years also comes in.
The law is not the issue, Mr. Council. The only issue is with your group B and C. That's it.
Yes. No, I am in group C, my lord, for all purposes, at the time of petition also, group C. And the way they have recovered, I have shown, my lord, they have not given us any notice. How much they are going to recover, for which period they are going to recover, nothing.
My lord, as per mandatory requirement, undertaking is there, and suitable installment may be granted.
No, you see,
My lord, squarely covered by the honorable.
Why didn't you go in appeal?
Yes.
No, my lord, that's because they are,
One or two cases. you got-
your lordship passed this order on the submission that they are belongs to grade 3. That is why we are filed this review petition. But actually, this is. Here, my lord, Rafik Masih case was interpreted and respondent, the Dev Singh was a retired person at that time. Retired person.
No, just let me read the order that you want reviewed.
He is bound.
Mr.
by-
Council,
Yes, my lord, sorry, my lord.
you are going in your own tangent. When you have your court of your own, you do that.
Yes.
Page 38, you have the para 5 of the judgment.
Yeah.
Please read.
My lord,
Para 5 of the impugned judgment. Para 5 of the judgment you want reviewed.
para 5. The counsel for the respondents fairly submitted. The present case are covered by the judgment of Aquarius Court in Rafik Masih, Whitewater. So, in as much as the wrong fixation of pay had been made from 1/1/2006, and there is nothing to show that the said wrong fixation of pay had been made on the basis of any fraud, misrepresentation on the part of the petitioners, or that the petitioner belongs to class 3, group C post, as such in the terms of paragraph 18 of the judgment of the apex in Rafik Masih. It would be impermissible to recover the excess salary paid to them. This is the Rafik Masih case is there.
No.
Right.
This is counsels for the respondents fairly submit.
Yes, my lord. This is the, because I have stated in my state, in my.
So you
petition
have
matter,
wrong, so that means
petitioner,
that.
they are not aware
So-
about the category of the, at the time of hearing, they were not aware. I have stated in my petition, my. That is why they failed to submit before the court that this honorable, okay, that they are belongs to category B, not C. I have stated in my, they were not aware.
How I've still, you have not convinced me. That is the problem.
Because they have also admitted that.
You see, one thing is a review. It has to be apparent on the face of the record. We should not go into, we are not supposed to take so much time, go think it over again.
But it is, they are category B, my lord. Category B, Rafik Masih case is there, that permissible to recover. And the High Court of Punjab and Haryana Court, they said that once one incumbent is opted for higher pay, and if he is given an a understanding, undertaking, he is bound by the undertaking.
Correct. He is bound by the undertaking. That is, even Jagdev Singh's case says that.
Yes.
But if it pertains to grade 3 and 4, then that comes under a different
Category.
law. Because the Supreme Court now has said, not Punjab and Haryana High Court, above Punjab and Haryana High Court, Supreme Court has said it would be impermissible.
Yes,
That's
but C and D, my lord.
Correct. Now show me whether, how they are B.
My lord, they received the scale of 4,600. As per notification, they are getting payment too, and they are group B. Here, my lord, it is there at page 48, my lord. 48 of my.
What is it?
On undertaking, I'll place two judgments, I'm just putting it.
No, I'm not on judgment. I'm not on undertaking, please. I'm again
Well,
under. group B.
48.
What do you think? Is it group B?
No,
As
no,
per the
it's
pay scale?
for all.
As per the,
purpose,
no, he's saying as per the pay scale, as per when you look into the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh CPC. When you look at the pay band and the level 6.
My lord, it is clear, my lord, 48, my lord, page 48.
My lord, your lordship will kindly see the what kind of, on what basis they have started recovering.
No, I'm not on that. Why you shifting? The issue is whether they are grade B or C. That's all.
For all purpose,
Okay.
group C, I have shown, my lord.
Serial number 2, my lord.
They are getting
Serial number.
in hand salaries
See,
about
a
29,000.
central civil post carrying the pay in the pay matrix at level 6 to
6 to
9
9. We are
is group B.
7. Group B, my lord. We are 7 in level, pay level 7.
They are getting pay level 7.
Yes.
And what will be group D?
Group B, that is categorized by group B. 6 to 9. 6 to 9, who,
Mr. Council, I don't know, there's something, either
Yes,
my pronunciation is bad or you cannot hear me
my
properly, I do not know.
I am
Having some problem, hearing
uh,
problem.
Yes, problem.
Okay, you see, the thing is that,
I am under treatment, my lord. I heard this also, but not proper, sometimes not properly entered in my.
that is what we sometimes you're not answering my questions at all.
Still I am in treatment, my lord.
Okay, anyway, look, the thing is, here, this page 48 talks of group ABC. What is the group of a peon?
See, my lord.
C.
As per.
So if a peon is C,
It
is there,
depend upon the-
okay, as per, so, in terms of this OM of 2017, there is no group D post, correct? Again, I think I can't do this way. When will your treatment be over? Yes, when will your treatment be over?
My lady, I have taken the treatment from 2-3 months, my lord.
Will,
My
when,
lord, they are also clear, my lord.
no, Mr. Council. So is there any group 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yes.
Group 1 is group A? Is it group A? Group 1, is it group A?
Yes, 1,000 level 1 at 1,300.
We'll take it up some
I
other
have
day.
given the.
I cannot do this. Release this matter after 2 weeks.
Sorry, my.
14 and 15.
This matter, your lordship is being wrongly listed on this basis to be on a hearing date because the matter was listed also been on a hearing only.
What is this matter?
This.
Railway contract matter, my
Huh?
lord. Railway contract matter, my lord. We have terminated the contract, my lord. And also recovered some the amount, my lord. Because of vigilance report, my lord.
Recovery of amount.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Excess payment was made, my lord.
Huh?
Excess payment was made as per this the vigilance, my lord. We've recovered, my lord, 3 crores.
From them.
Yes, my lord. And they filed a petition in this against the recovery as well as they have to we terminate their contract, my lord. It was 9 years, my lord, initially for 6 months, my lord. Therefore, 9 years, my lord, now it has not completed, my lord. After due procedure, we will terminate. This is the case.
Have we made any notes in this?
No,
or-
my lord,
No, but it's not yet started in fact.
Not
Last
started.
time listed for hearing,
Two times.
couldn't reach that day. It was fixed today. But unfortunately, it's come in the, on the
Orders.
orders list. I was requesting if it's not inconvenience, we can fix it on second, on a Tuesday or a Thursday. That's convenient to my learned friend also.
Okay, list this matter on second,
Second.
A third.
So the second is Monday, my lord.
Monday is closed.
third,
I'm extremely grateful. It should be reflected in the hearing column. Much otherwise.
Hearing.
That, hearing for.
Yeah,
what?
because
this
because
is
of
complete.
there are the
All
order
payments and everything
matter,
are
what is my list, but matter or hearing matter.
In fact,
Okay, list this matter, on third in the hearing column.
extremely good.
My name will be reflected, my lord.
And, the name of Mr. S.K. Medi, CGC be reflected.
No, my lord, in order, my lord, I am present.
Oh, okay. Right, heard, Mr.
RB Fukan for the.
R.B. Fukan,
Both the
also
matters.
for the petitioners, and Mr. S.K. Medi,
For railways.
SC Railway. So, pray that the matter may be listed on third, 3/9/24 in the hearing column.
Great.
Praise the Lord, this is the matter in the hearing column on 3/9.
Extremely good. Item 27.
No, it's a review. I had disposed of all those things. The problem is, I don't know, we're not getting a sync now.
27.
Yes, my lord.
20?
The content matter. I have got the instruction, my lord, that they have moved the judicial department and presently it is pending there. So I have to pay for some time, my lord.
This with regard to contractual dues
No, my lord, land, my lord, land.
or land.
Yes.
But, what is the purpose of judicial department? I don't know, my lord. It's simple, my lord.
Well, ways of government is very funny. It's not for us to know at times.
Also, will that some time, my lord. Let it be after 4 weeks, my lord. I will in the meantime convey my lord to expedite.
How much has to be paid? 11 lakh something?
My lord, yes.
Anna?
More than 1 billion then.
Oh. It had gone to the judicial department 1 year back.
It's still lying there, my lord. That's
Ah.
my latest instruction from 3rd of August, 24.
No, please read. Please read the first paragraph.
No, I understand, my lord. Lordship will see the date, my lord. It is 3rd of August 24. Now they have given a reminder. Let it be after 4 weeks, my lord. I will manage convey to them. Expedite.
Four weeks is too long. I mean, they've been having this thing since 1st of August 2023.
Yes.
Right, Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the,
Period, my lord.
no, for the,
Respondent, my lord. I was, in fact, my lord, I was asked by the honorable court to have the inspection on behalf of the respondent. But even then, I can appear on behalf of the respondent, my lord, all the respondent.
appearing on behalf of the respondent submits that the matter has been referred to the Judicial Department for its views on 1/8/2023. And thereafter, the PWRD had requested the Judicial Department to return the file along with their views by a subsequent letter dated 3/8/2024. He submits that. sometime is required to enable the judicial department to return the file to the PRWRD with its views. Full stop. Next para. It is noticed that the judicial department had been asked for its view more than 1 year back, and it is not understood as to why the same has not been returned by the judicial department till date. Mr. B. Gogoi shall accordingly obtain instructions with regard to why the judicial department has not made any reply to the petition, to the request made by the PWRD. This is the matter on after,
18, my lord. 18 of
okay, this is the matter on 18th.
August.
I think 20 for hearing. Please, only.
Kindly pass on for time being.
No, you're for the petitioner.
I'm the
Chair for the.
You see, Mr. Chakrabarti, you're the Chakrabarti. Last time he had said that the petitioner had submitted a letter
yeah, 3-6.
stating that he does not wish to press the matter.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Correct. Then we can close the matter. We'll write your name. Or Mr. Das Gupta's name.
Mr. Das Gupta's name.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. A. Das Gupta, learned senior counsel for the petitioner. Assisted by Miss
B Das.
B. Das. I think Mr. Das Gupta is going to say the same thing.
Yes.
Is he coming?
He is in court number 20.
Okay. So we will say that he has, I hope if it's not the case, you please tell me again, okay? Submits that the petition, as the petitioner does not wish to press the writ petition any longer, as he has been engaged in another job, as he has been employed in another job, the petitioner may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition. Mr.
Translated copy that was asked.
Okay. Mr. R. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the respondent, has handed over a letter dated 3/3/2016 submitted by the petitioner to the respondent number
Respondent one, sole respondent. Management.
to the director of the Noloni Tea Estate, stating that he wants to withdraw the writ petition. Yes, Mr. Das Gupta, you want to withdraw?
Actually, I don't have any such instruction. Your lordship may pass any such order on the basis of that.
Yes, you're saying otherwise. Because he has written a letter to the director saying that he does not wish to.
Your lordship may act upon this later.
We will give the original. It's okay, we'll put all of them. Yes. What have I said? Next, in view of the. So I've said that you want to withdraw also.
No, no.
No.
I could not contact them. That is the
Okay.
problem.
Okay, then you write like this. Mr. A. Dasgupta,
Problem is
London.
correct, because since 2014, he might have withdrawn this matter, but I could not contact them, and they have not,
You have not been able to contact him, communicate with him since when?
say, after since 17.
After 17.
So
Yes.
let it be, let this already be there in that way,
Uh,
because he has not made any communication with me. So
okay,
what is correct.
we will allow to be withdraw as per this, with liberty to file a fresh
Yes,
if the need arises.
no, it is submitted by him, that may kindly be.
Correct, correct.
I have not submitted it.
But then we had asked you, that's why, last time.
No, because I tried to.
You could not
him, but
contact.
I could not
Mr. A. Dasgupta, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Miss B. Das, submits that though this court, via order dated 13/8/2024, had directed him to obtain instructions with regard to the letter dated 3/3/2016, apparently issued by the petitioner, stating that stating that he wanted to withdraw the writ petition, comma. The learned senior counsel submits that he has been unable to communicate with the petitioner. Full stop. He further submits that he has lost all contact with the writ petitioner since the year 2017. Full stop. Next, Mr. R. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the respondent, has submitted letter dated 3/3/2016, issued by the writ petitioner to the director of the Nolonati estate, stating that he wanted to withdraw the writ petition. Full stop. Next, the said letter dated 3/3/2016 and the annexure and the translation thereto is made a part of the record and marked as annexure X. Full stop. In the facts and circumstances of the case, this court is of the view that there is nothing to doubt the submissions made by the counsels for the parties. Full stop. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty to file afresh.
Well,
Yes.
it is closed, that will be better.
How does it matter? How does it matter?
John means I have to ensure this.
No, I have not said that. I have not said that. I have said on the basis of this,
Yes, yeah, also. I'm not
the
sure.
dismiss as withdrawn, with liberty. No, dismiss as withdrawn, as per the letter
Yes, sir.
dated 3/3/2016, with liberty to file afresh if the letter is later found to be fabricated.
Later, 2016.
3/3/2016. So I've made a part of the record.
All right.
May it please your lordship. My lord, here in this case, the petitioner's land was used by Matia Anchalik Panchayat. And the land is their patta land. According to them, the land used by. My lord, I have issued a letter to the petitioners, but they have not responded to me. But some of the my lord, one of the person of that locality has informed me that nothing has been paid to them. And he can give me a correct information, my lord, within 2-3 days, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, within 3-4 days, my lord, he will give me a correct information, my lord. I have issued a letter
Lordship may kindly
To the
peruse the last
petitioner.
order, my lord. Last paragraph
to the
of the last
petitioners,
order.
my lord, but they have not responded to me, my lord. And I have also contacted through other.
No, no, you see, is your land still being used
Yes, my lord, used.
by the panchayat?
Yes, my
My lord, last order.
lord. Patta land,
Last,
Patta land has
last
been used.
order, last paragraph.
Neither rent
Oh,
nor,
yes.
nor.
Last paragraph is that petitioner's counsel shall obtain instruction as to whether the petitioner's lands are still being used by the Anchalik Panchayat to run the weekly market, and if so, whether they are pressing this writ petition. Are you pressing this writ petition?
My lord, my lord, I may be given 1 week time more, my lord. I'm trying to collect correct information, my lord. I have issued letter, but they are not responding to me. And I have engaged some of my known person of that locality to know the exact status. Sir.
In the meantime, I can also take instruction, my lord, whether panchayat
Yes.
market was shifted or not.
Okay, right. Mr. S, Mr. A.R. Sigdar,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the PNID department, shall obtain instructions by the next date. List the matter on
10 days after 10 days.
My lord, of September.
23 problem. Whether 23 and 24, perhaps Lordship had passed an order yesterday, my lord. It's covered by
before yesterday.
day before yesterday, my lord. That the lease was in the year 2011 and 12. Thereafter, after 5 years, my lord, they have asked for the registration fee and court fee. That matter.
7392 2016.
No, product of like this, no?
9 to 2016.
It is 23.
Oh, 23 and 24.
So this is for 2012-13, the last. Then Impune letter is dated what?
28/10/2016.
2010-16.
That is 3 years, 4 months.
Okay, right. So similarly, we have-
Similar. 23, 24, both.
okay, right. Heard Miss
A Bora.
A. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. L. Datta, learned counsel for the PNRD department. The petitioner's case is that he had been settled with the Charidwar bi-weekly market under Balipara Anchalik Panchayat for the year 2010-11, 2011-12 and 2012-13 at the rate of rupees 3,43,201, rupees 3,45,500 and rupees 3,43,501 respectively. Pursuant to the settlement of the market, the petitioner executed agreements with the Anchalik Panchayat and submitted the required security deposit. After completion of the settlement period, the petitioner was returned his security deposit. Next paragraph. The grievance of the petitioner is that The respondent number 3 has however issued the impugned letter dated. Same letter,
Yes.
Same day.
28/10/2016 to the petitioner, asking him to deposit rupees 46,392, 46,680 and 46,410 as cost of stamp duty and registration fees for registration of the lease agreement, which was executed for settlement of the Charidwar bi-weekly market. Then you think this para 4 will be the same, huh? 4 will be the same. Para 5 will be the same. Para 6 will be the same. Para 7 will be the same. Out here it is after 3 years.
Yes.
Out here it will be 3 years. I'll change it, huh? 3.
3 years, 4 months.
Yeah, it's after 3 years. You know.
In this item number 22, it is after 5 to 3 years, because the first lease agreement was in the year 2010 to 11. So it will be 5 to 3 years. Not.
So we'll say after 3 years
After 3
again. So this is same, huh? From till 9 it is same. Okay. From 4 to 9 same. Okay. Now in the next case. In the next case, parties are same.
Party, my lord, party is big good data, my.
Huh?
Petitioner is different.
Petitioner is the same. Petitioner is same. No, petitioner is different.
Yes.
No, what I'm
Countings
saying,
are same.
no, councils are same. Now what I'm saying is, out here this is same market.
No, the notices were issued regarding to the recovery of the stamp duties as a circular was circulated to register the sale rate. Thereafter, for the settlement of market.
No, madam. For this item 24, it pertains to Keteki Bari bi-weekly market,
Yes, sir.
which was the issue yesterday.
No.
Maybe different year, my lord.
Different year, 2012, 13.
12/3.
Same market, basically.
Same market.
So out here the market will be, you just think that, just give me another order. 7392, 2016. This will be in item 23, okay? Item 23. So I'll put it in the file. So that means they are going to have a good weekend. Their clients will have a good weekend. Sometimes you have a bad weekend, sometimes a good weekend. That's the life of a lawyer.
Because of this reason, my lord, tough cases I don't fix on Fridays. To avoid bad weekends.
To avoid bad weekends. Okay, so out here, this is the item 24, okay? So market is same, parties names of course, councils, A Bora, no? A Bora. Okay, then out here, this will be 2012-13.
And Keteki Bari by
2012-13. Huh?
Keteki Bari.
That is yesterday same. Yesterday also we were doing that. The same Gabaru and Charik Panchayat was same. The rate is for how much? 995. 9,95,000. Okay. Settlement period
12/13.
That will be 30/06/2013.
Yes.
Actually, we'll have to change out here. One thing, we have to change this. Item 24, you take it straight away as it is, huh? Just correct it from this here only. Deposit how much? 14144.
One
Huh?
lakh 44,000.
1,44,275, no? And everything else will be the same. Huh? No. Just that the case number will also be different. Okay, well. We'll see, let it see till 2. If it doesn't come by 2, then dispose. We've got an item at 2 o'clock. And okay.
During lunch hours, we were informed that it's going to
Ah.
be moved at 2 a.m.
Actually, it was only, it also came to my chamber only just before 2.
Yes, Lordship, that is why, Lordship, because we were informed that it will be listed today.
So anyway, yes, what is your case?
Lordship, if I may, Lordship,
Connector A is page 22, Your Lordship.
Page 22.
22, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This notice inviting petition published by Principal Township Superintendent Nulbari Medical College and Hospital on 16/8, Your Lordship, and date.
No, please read the entire thing.
Lordship.
Please read the entire.
Seal quotation affixing court fee rupees and so is hereby invited from reputed local vendors for operating the staff canteen purely on
Temporary basis until
completion of the formal tender process.
until completion of formal tender process.
Considering the urgent necessity of the staff.
Yes.
The copy of the NIQ may be obtained from the office to ensure the duly sent principal.
So that means there is already a process underway for regular settlement of the
Yes,
canteen.
Lordship, here the issue was the authority, the people who were providing the food initially, Lordship, there were complaints regarding the food. And the doctors and all, they were suffering from it. Now, Lordship, because of that, for a short period, since to temporarily take over it, we had issued this short notice. That is the whole case, Lordship.
But what about the, you have not issued any NIT for regular settlement of the?
No, Lordship, that we are working on, because of which this notice has been there, Lordship. It's a temporary, then the other one will be paper publication will be there. It
Oh,
be
that
on
will be
paper.
there.
This one is just put on the college.
Temporary for use. Like-
Yes, Lordship, so that because there were complaints regarding the food provided on the previous authorities, my lord. That is the only reason that this is.
What is the last date of submission?
23rd August. Yes.
Then we have got till tomorrow.
Only.
So what, everyone has got the same, when did you, when did?
On 16th we had, Lordship, now today on the 11th hour, Lordship, this has come up.
I know, last minute it comes up. When did you get to know of this?
Lordship, my only prayer to extend some time, Your Lordship. I can prepare
Lordship,
my
here-
some documents still and participate in them. I'm interested. I
When
also
did you, Mr. Council, when did you get to know of this NIT?
Lordship,
When did you get to know of this NIT?
Lordship on 20th August, Your Lordship.
20th August.
20th
So you have got 20th, 21st, 22nd, 4 days.
Only 7-10 times allowed.
So what? This is only temporary. It's not a regular
Yes,
thing.
Lordship, only like, so that the patient or the hospital or the doctor's lordship, because they have been complaining
And
regarding.
experience holder, your lordship, experience
Huh?
to supply that, and experienced person, your lordship.
Lordship, they should
Yes,
be aware that
because
on 16th we had put it on the notice.
11 your lordship, I'm supplying.
On the 11th now, Lordship.
Separate.
What right have you got? Everyone will ask for time for every 10 IT. Show me the rules which say that it has to be, some time limit has to be
And
given.
some downloaded copy, your lordship, here
Ah.
at least 21 days, your lordship.
Show it to him first. This is only for a temporary
This is
arrangement.
temporary arrangement, Lordship. This is for a proper, the entire,
This is only for temporary arrangement.
Lordship, they can participate.
You participate by tomorrow.
Yes,
You
your lordship, can be.
Lordship, once the regular tender, is, they can easily participate. This is only a temporary arrangement. This is for, there's public interest involved in this, Lordship. The doctors are also suffering, Lordship.
Correct. This is only temporary arrangement. There's nothing.
Without publishing anywhere in a.
Lordship, it was
no
there
email or
and
no
people
any
have
newspaper,
participated.
your lordship.
There are other
Manifest.
authorities who have already participated, Lordship. Only my pet.
No. This is for regular.
Regular tender, but this is just
A
for a temporary
regular
tender.
a regular NIT.
May beg for lordship to file a recommendation to consider that, your lordship.
No.
Lordship,
It's a what do you mean?
Lordship, Lordship, they fixed
Representation
it
for
on
what?
Tuesday.
You submit. What is this for a canteen? Canteen would be what? Samosa, rasgulla.
In the regular
This is
process,
for how long?
Lordship, here, this is
Time is
temporary.
not
Like,
mentioned, your lordship.
we are like, maximum 2 months, Lordship, 2-3 months, Lordship. Here, we cannot say, till we can initiate the proper process for the tender, my Lordship. That is the only, and we had announced it everywhere, Lordship. It's not like, nobody was aware of it, Lordship.
Only thing, this is only in the office you have mentioned. It is not published.
No, Lordship, that is because, Lordship, we have mentioned it in the,
Till what time do you want?
At least 1 week time.
no, Lordship, that will be, Lordship, on Tuesday, we'll place all, everything on that is on record. Today, it has been moved on. Listed, that is why we could not, Lordship may put it on Tuesday, Lordship will be able to come up with better clarification and what all
It's
steps
not
we are taking.
Tuesday, your lordship.
Huh?
Tuesday mechanic is not bill.
I'm not fixing the case on Tuesday, Mr. Counselor. I'm disposing it of today. Whether I've dismissed it or not, I'm thinking. It's not a question of fixing.
Should we have mentioned it,
And
it's a
opportunity,
temporary
your
basis,
lordship, to
Lordship.
participate in this.
Lordship, from 16, they had their time, Lordship. Now they,
And actually, there's no any word
we-
publication.
Yeah,
It will be
yeah.
on 20th,
You have come on the last, tomorrow is the last day you come today.
I filed it yesterday, your lordship.
You filed it yesterday.
Your lordship.
Today is 22nd. Yesterday is 21st.
21st, your lordship.
Instead of filing repetition, why did you file your
And
tender?
across your lordship, some documents required, also there are
Lordship, they
conditions
did
to
not
submit
have,
the
they had time to file
Actually,
the
this
representation, they
notice,
did not
your
file.
lordship,
Within the criteria, Lord.
Notice invited quotation, your lordship, it is published on 16/8 and it is hang on 16, also on 17, there is no notice. Someone turn out here.
No, Lordship, the food,
There is no.
this is
We
regarding
received
the
the
food,
information
Lordship.
verbally
If
from the,
it's extended, the doctors will suffer, Lordship, in this case.
someone continuing. your
Other
lordship,
participants have been
discussing, your lordship.
diligent, Lordship.
Actually, I'm interested to participate. I have so much experience. Your lordship.
Anyway, you're not going to complete it by tomorrow. Are you going to
Lordship,
complete it tomorrow?
Lordship may not grant because we have already completed, there are a lot of participants, Lordship.
How many participants are there?
Lordship, that instruction,
You get instructions, we'll take it up after half an hour. 3:15, you get instructions. How many have submitted their tenders?
Lordship.
How many have submitted their tenders? How long is the temporary arrangement going to last? It depends. If it's going to last for a long time, then we might give him time. But if it's going to last for just 1 month or 2 months, no point.
Lordship.
We'll do that. We'll take it up after
50.
after 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Yes, it's important.
For a period of 3 to 4 months, Lordship. And Lordship, I have just taken instructions. If my learned friend, if the petitioner can participate, we can keep it open till Monday, Lordship.
Monday is holiday.
Lordship, but
Monday is holiday.
but Lordship,
They can receive it April Monday.
yes, sir, Lordship, here they can, Lordship, that.
Okay, then you find it on Monday.
Because Lordship, if on Tuesday, another party will come and ask. for
Correct,
similar-
correct. By
Lordship,
Monday.
So the people are suffering, Lordship. There's a.
Yes, Monday.
Lordship, there is another another thing, Lordship, if it's temporary, Lordship, that maybe how many times, Lordship, for
Huh?
1 month or 2 months or 3 months?
Mr. Council, that is not your concern. You want to participate, you participate, that is not an issue. He said it's going to be for 3-4 months, that's all.
So that the regular process, Lordship, they can.
He said I'm going to record his statement that's going to be for 3-4 months.
And the petitioner informed me, Lordship, since February 2023, Lordship, that continuous run temporarily, at least 1 year and 1.5 years.
Okay, so you see Monday you've got, today is Thursday. You've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday 3 o'clock you deposit.
In the afternoon, we.
Monday 3 o'clock till Monday.
Can it be Tuesday after?
No.
Again, somebody else.
Mister, what do you think? What do you think? What is this? You come at the last, the 11th hour. Tomorrow is the date.
She actually lately received the information due to lack of publication, that's all.
You had the information, you said on 21st. Then today is 23rd.
Lordship, these are temporary arrangements.
No, this cannot be 21st also. This you filed it on 21st. You filed it day before, you filed it yesterday.
Yes, that
That means you had the information on 20th.
20.
Then. Right. Heard, Mister?
A.R. Karim, Lordship.
A.R. Karim, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who submits that the respondent number 2 has issued a notice inviting quotation dated 16/8/2024 for operating the staff canteen in the where?
Nalbari Medical College.
Nalbari Medical College and Hospital.
Nalbari Medical College and Hospital, Nalbari. On temporary basis until completion of the formal tender process for canteen services. Considering the urgent necessity of the staff canteen. Yes, sir. The petitioner's counsel submits that he came to know of the NIQ. He had not referred to the NIQ. He had to know the NIQ only on 20
August.
20 August, 28, 2024. And he submits that the time given in the NIT for submission of tenders is only 1 week. And as the time period is very limited, the petitioner would not be able to submit his tender documents within such a limited period. He submits that the petitioner should be given some extra time, that is still till you had prayed for, I think, till 27th. Tuesday you had prayed, no? You had prayed till 27th, till 27/8/2024 for submission of his tender document. Next, Mr. H. Aliha, Learned Counsel for the Health Department, submits upon instructions that the operation of the staff canteen would only be for a temporary basis consisting of 3 to 4 months.
For instruction.
He submits that during that time, a regular tender notice would be issued for operating the staff canteen on a regular basis. He also submits that as per instructions received by him, the petitioner may submit his tender documents by 26/8/2024. But 26 is a holiday. It's a
But if
Huh?
Till 27, Lordship, Lordship, some other person may also come and
May
apply.
come, Your Lordship, then.
Lord, and 26.
Okay, then you submit on the morning.
Yes, Lordship, 26,
No, 27 morning, let him submit.
27. Lordship.
27 morning, let him submit by,
There is Lordship.
sir, then you can open it straight away.
You can open the bids then on the
Yeah,
after.
No, you can open it on, you see, we will say 27 morning at 10 o'clock, on or before 10 o'clock, he should submit. And you will open your bid after that.
Because they were.
So you'll get 1 day extra.
From 20 at least they could have kept their documents ready, Lordship.
I know,
That is-
they just, nothing, right. I, on hearing the cause for the parties, this court is also of the view that some more time should have been given to the intending bidders for submission of the tender document. Full stop. As such, the petitioner is granted. The petitioner is granted time till 10 AM on 27/8/2024 for submission. Let's say 11 AM. 11 AM.
11.
Otherwise, Lordship, there will be difficulty to obtain the survey. 11 AM will be perfect.
11 AM.
11 AM, Lordship.
11 AM. 11 AM. And 11 AM on 27/8/2024 for submission of his tender document. Thereafter, the bids may be opened. Thereafter, the bids of the tenderers may be opened by the respondent. You see, the thing is that at the end of the day, we have not published
Lordship.
anywhere.
Yes, Lordship, but this is a temporary notice. Lordship.
You see, the issue is temporary. When was the last time you had regular? If we go into that, I'm quite sure that you'll have a problem. And we do not know how long this 3-4 months will last.
Lordship, that is what we have been informed of.
Correct.
It's still temporary running, Your Lordship, for 1.5 years.
No, Lordship,
It's
but-
still temporary.
but
Since February
because
2020.
Lordship, that has been changed because of the quality of food and that has been provided because it's a hospital, Lordship, because of which we took this step of inviting new people, Lordship. That was, we invited more participants.
Anyway, so we have given you have paid for till 27, we have given you till 27, 11 o'clock. Okay? The repressions accordingly disposed.